So here is the end result of me replacing the valve block, the AirMatic valve block, air regulator, and I'm not sure if I put the valve in wrong, the valve block, or what, but I got some stance nation going on. Look at that, because I had to purge all the air out of the system. It's not pumping the air back into the system, so I don't know if I put the valve block in wrong or I need a compressor. I did order the compressor, and that's going to be the next step project that I attempt to do. But for now, check out this stance nation, not by choice. Huh? Look at that. We are sitting low. And while it looks not bad just sitting here, I would prefer for my car to work, because it's not drivable right now. Unfortunately, because this thing is my baby and I love it. So I am left to deal with life with the giant beast, the Navy school bus, and what's behind door number 2. The bus is working. The Navy beast. This is in the process of waiting for the compressor. And this guy, well, that guy just sits there because nobody wants to drive him. Till the next one. See you guys later.